They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression. And science agrees. In just a few seconds, before a single word is even spoken, our brains are already at work, scanning, judging, and decoding. Think about it. You walk into a room, meet someone new, and instantly a voice inside whispers, "I like them," or "something feels off." But what's really happening in those first few moments? Psychologists call it thin slicing, our brain's ability to take a tiny sliver of information and form surprisingly accurate conclusions. In fact, research shows that within the first 7 seconds, people decide if you're trustworthy, confident, likable, or competent. That's faster than it takes to read a single text message. So what exactly are people decoding? First, your body language. A straight posture signals confidence. Crossed arms can suggest defensiveness. A genuine smile? It lights up the trust centers in the brain. Our gestures, even the small ones, often speak louder than our words. Second, your eyes. Eye contact builds connection. Too little, and it can signal nervousness or disinterest. Too much, and it may feel overwhelming. But the right balance, steady, warm, and attentive, communicates presence and respect. Third, your voice. Tone matters as much as words. A calm, clear voice radiates confidence. A rushed or hesitant tone may reveal anxiety. In those first seconds, people hear not just what you say, but how you say it. And here's the fascinating part. While we're busy decoding others, they're decoding us too. It's a two-way mirror. Every introduction is a silent exchange of cues, a dance of perception shaping how relationships begin. But let's not forget, first impressions aren't the full story. They're powerful, yes, but they're also incomplete. They're like the cover of a book, attractive, intriguing, sometimes misleading. With time, depth, and consistency, people get to know the chapters beneath the cover. So how do we use this knowledge? Not by faking who we are, but by aligning our presence with our truth. Stand tall, not because you want to impress, but because you value yourself. Smile, not to manipulate, but to invite connection. Speak clearly, not to perform, but to share your authentic voice. The real secret is this. Authenticity is magnetic. When your body language, your voice, and your energy reflect who you truly are, your first impression doesn't just stick, it inspires. So the next time you walk into a room, remember, your mind is already speaking before your mouth does. In those first few seconds, you're not just being seen, you're being understood. The question is, what story are you telling?